Peace and love. Today we're going to be getting into a light chest and back workout. This is perfect for my girlies who are looking to get rid of their bras and really strengthen their muscles so that they can do that in a feasible way. One of the main reasons why people experience back pain when they have large breasts is because they need to strengthen their back and open up their chest. So grab your water, grab your notepad if you're not already at the gym, and let's get started. As always, we want to start with a little warm up. We're just going to start by extending our arms out wide and then bringing them in towards the body, swinging our arms here. Going to do about 12 of these. All right, and then we're going to grab a light weight. So I'm grabbing 5 pounds. And from here, we're just going to lift up, out, and down. So you're bringing the arm straight up in front of you, then out to the side, and then back down. And so we can keep this motion here where we're just going out, or we can go back out and then in. So we're bringing our arms up, out, down, up, in, down, up, out, down, up, in, down. This is giving us a nice warm up in our shoulders, getting our arms ready to support us as we work out our chest and our back. We're going to hinge forward at the waist a little bit, keeping a nice bend at the knees, bringing those arms out straight, and we're going to bring our elbows back. So we're doing these rolls here. Go ahead and shake that off and then get ready for the weights. So we're going to start with our lat pull downs, making sure we have a good distance with our hands. Hand is over. So when we pull down, we're really hugging with our back muscles. Notice how when I come up, I'm not completely straightening out my arms. I'm keeping them engaged. So I'm keeping my back engaged the entire time, bringing this down to my chest and then back up. Total engagement. Chest is forward. So we are going to superset our lat pull downs with our chest wise. I'm using 10 pounds. We want to keep this slightly light, especially if we do not do chest often. So I'm going out wide and then bringing my arms back together. So we want to make sure that we have a nice slight bend in the elbow as we come down on those chest wise. Maintaining that slight bend in the elbow. All right, next superset. We're going to be doing rows with the pull cable again, followed by a chest press. So to do our rows, we want to make sure that we have a straight spine. Knees are bent, and we're just going to pull straight back. So we're pulling, hugging our elbows towards our body, using our back muscles to pull that bar to our chest, just above the navel. Again, full engagement, not locking out forward or back. And now for our chest press, we're gonna bring the dumbbells to our sides, elbows are out, and then we're just going to lift. You could do this with a straight bar, you can do this with dumbbells, and there's even machines, chest press machines that you can use. I like to use the dumbbells because it really makes sure that I'm using my stabilizer muscles for each chest, each pectoral, and not relying solely on one. Both sides have to individually do the work with the dumbbells. And this is why I prefer doing these. So we're just bringing them back down to our chest, lifting straight up. All right, for our last superset, we are going to go up in weight a little bit. I have a 15 here. So we are going to be doing one arm rolls. So here, you also have the option of coming down onto your elbow. If it's hard for you to stay strong, just using your arm. So we're bringing it down all the way and then up, hugging our elbow with our body. Core is engaged, core is tight. And swap sides. All right. Once you finish the rows, you're gonna come into push-ups. Kind of limited in my space here, trying to find my placements. So, arms are gonna be about shoulder distance apart. Bring our chest down. 1, 2, or we have the option of doing these on the floor. We all know what push-ups look like, so decide whether you want to do push-ups on the bench, push-ups on the ground. If you want to have your knees down, do at least 10 to 25 push-ups.